Hello guys, good afternoon, night nga hapon sa tanan. Good afternoon, moms and dads, mga tatay, kag mga nanay, kag mga inatay, mga lolo, kag mga lola sa ako tanan. Good afternoon. Ah, lately, di ba, na-observe naton sa news, sa Facebook, nara nga mga kwan, may mga batanon, nga, a lady committed suicide. Hindi niya na nakayanan yung problema. Bakit kaya? What do you think, parents? Depression is one of the biggest problem natin pero nowadays. And it is not a joke na our young people, kids, no, na will commit suicide just because uh, of their emotional problems, social problems, mental. Maraming problema. Bakit ba ganun? Why is it like that? Why do prefer to commit suicide instead of facing the problem? So, in my opinion, I believe if our children in their young age is not capable of solving their problem and they cannot open their problem to their parents, yung shall we say, yung parang may yung mga parents hindi basta nakikinig sa mga anak nila or they refuse. Alam mo, kung may problema yung mga anak nila, ikaw bahala ka dara sa problema mo. Or maybe, shall we say, there is a big gap between the parents and the kids, mga bata. Or maybe, possible, hindi open, may communication gap ang parents and the kids. And or maybe, masyadong malakas yung influence outside sa mga barkada, sa binubyo. So, come to think of it, parents, no? If that thing will happen to us, ano kaya kita? Ano kaya buhaton ta kuno? Himo na sa mga anak ta, no? Siguro mabuang man ta kaisip. It's crazy, you know. Doing things na just solving it for their own. No? Kita mga parents daw mabuang kita once that happens to our kids. It cannot be hindi mo makomprehend ano buhaton mo kundi mo inasang bata. That is why advice ako sa ato no, mga parents, no. Uh, Let us be open to our kids. Open our hearts to them. Kapag sila po makashare po sila sa atin. Do not be too strict. Because sometimes our kids tell lies just to be accepted. Para lang madawat naton makuha lang naton ang kwan. No, ang mga bata natin, magpikal sila sa aton. Which is good para lang mag-accept, para malipay ta. That's not good. That's unfair. No? It is important for us parents na when our kids has problem, hindi natin sila pag-idungagan. Do not aggravate the problem. Hindi kapag don't blame. Stop blaming. Because the more you blame them, the more they blame themselves, the more they get depressed, the more they get sad. And okay lang kung barkada sila nga very good na makashare sila or makaistorya sila. What if wala? They will just resolve the problem on their own and we don't know what happens next. That's isa na siya sa mga reason na kita mga parents should be very careful. No? As much as possible, we have talked earlier sa ako na some videos, we have talked about comparing, belittling, shaming, and this time let's also avoid as much as possible. Minimize, hindi na madala sa minimize. Yung tinatawag natin na blaming. Because when we say blaming, ang tanan-tanan, all their offenses, all their mistakes, ginabubo tagid sa ilaha. And usually we didn't know that they do it because they cannot help themselves, no? Because kita nga parents, we are too much kita mag-blame sa ila. And the more they become rebel, the more they do things that even hurt them just to para malagot kita sa ila, para maugot sila kita sa ila, magbuhat sila sa mga bagay-bagay nga makapaakig sa atin. It's one way of revenge. Nagabalo sila. We don't know that the more they go out with their friends, the more they do things against our will, that is one of the way na we will become angry and makabalo sila sa atin. That's revenge. No, they do things, unacceptable things, para maugot kita. And they are maamuse sila malipay sa tabalasan. Tugot-tugot sila ni liyasan ko man, ti man. Te. Kaurugot abi si nanay, kaurugot abi si tatay. Tanan-tanan na lang gid nga hulag ko, puro lang mali. Sige lang po mali. No? So, betis tingan ta baratan aunta ko ano reaksyon ni tatay kag ni nanay. So kita nga mga parents, careful kita dapat, no? As much as possible, no? Advice ko sa aton, sa inyo, sa aton mga parents nga whatever, kung ano man circumstances in the kid's life and sa iya nga palibot niya, let us accept kung may ara silang i-share sa aton. Hindi nga gaumpisa pa lang sila ka istorya sa aton. Nan kaya balang takabay, gagagagakag kun ang takabay. No, di ba? We tend to react agad. Wala pa gani sila katapos sa istorya nila niyayaw na kita. So what do you think happens? So instead of them sharing their concerns, their issues or their problems to us, wala na, hindi na sila mag-share. They won't share anymore. They'll be very secretive. What for? Nga mag-share mo ko sa kinanay kag tatay. Buyayawon niya lang ko sina. Imbis buligan niya ko sina, akigan niya lang ko sina. Kapahawian pagid kong kisa. Aman na hindi na lang ko mag-istorya. May pusipos na ako, may problema ko. No, it's not easy. Kaya kita mga parents, let us as much as possible minimize, avoid blaming, insulting our children. Let us open our ways of communication with them. Para miskan ano problema, di ba? Magiging opposite. Ano ang good pa? Sige, hambal lang bala sa ako. Nak na ano gali gito, unsa di nahitabo. Inani manggod. Tapos ano sa di ay listen to them. Do not close your ears. Don't say na wala na ko labot sa imo, bahala ka sa kinabuhi mo. I don't care about you. No, don't ever say that. Because you ruin the trust and confidence ng bata sa imo bilang ginikanan ka. So as much as possible, let us be friends with our children. Open up to them. Gawin natin yung magandang way of communication to them always. So siguro, I hope na kahit pa paano you have learned something today. Thank you. Kag mayad gid hapon sa tanan. Bye, Ate Joy.